So since we are already here, now let's talk about this foil shaver, a single foil shaver from Wmark. Okay, I didn't know it's a really small foil shaver from Wmark. Well, somehow I saw it, I like it, and it was very cheap, so I got it. And now it's written Wmark Professional Ultra Thin and a mini barber shaver with the model number NG7901. NG7901. You got 3 colors. Comes with a red, white, and black. So as you can see here, red, white, and black. Okay. Got 8,800 RPMs, so 70 minutes operating time, 320 milliamp battery, USB-C charging. Okay, what else? Nothing else. So it is like this. So now, so one moment inside. It comes with a manual, charging cable, a USB-C, a pause. Okay, which is good. The foil extra. The cutter blade. It's good. And a little brush. Okay. So now this is the foil, as you can see, very small, very small. The back side, so this side, the front, good. Single foil, a sound check. Okay. Okay. And it's not good for thicker hair, you know, it's for the neck area. It's good for the neck area. And if you want to pull it out, okay, this is it. So,
Isso tem mais. Gali. Max Schmerzen? Ha?
Wenn ich das schneide. Drück mal ganz kurz.
Wo soll ich drücken? Guck mal.
Geht nicht.
Scheiß Maschine.
That's it for the unboxing of this Wmark single foil shaver, and peace.